Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have my samples to share with you guys from last week's Sample Sunday series. So we're going to get into this pretty quickly. The first one here is the Sake Bomb by Drybar. This is the Nourishing Shampoo and Nourishing Conditioner. This was a good shampoo and conditioner. I thought for sure it was going to be more like a charcoal type, but it wasn't. It was pretty hydrating. I like the scent of it, but I didn't notice a huge difference in my hair or anything. So for me, this isn't something that I'd be like, yeah, I need to go purchase that. So it was good, but it wasn't something that knocked my socks off. So it was just an average type of shampoo and conditioner. So I don't think it would be worth it for me to pick it up because I personally like something that's either going to be something that's going to help keep my highlights, which I barely have any highlights. I'm using a purple shampoo like once a week, once every 2 weeks. And this one I just didn't feel like was going to be a necessary thing in my collection. And I have a ton. But if you are looking for a shampoo or conditioner, I don't know that I could still recommend this one for you guys because I don't think it's anything extraordinary, to be honest. But I only used it one time though. So I mean, over time, sometimes things could change. So if you used it more than once, it might be a difference. So I don't know. I would say probably not. The next thing is something I totally would purchase. This is the, what is this called? This is the I Do Care Cake My Day Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. So at first I thought for sure this was going to smell like Funfetti. I think I told you guys that last time when I pulled this. It doesn't smell like Funfetti. I still want it to smell like Funfetti, like the Funfetti cake, but it doesn't, unfortunately. But it does have like little sparkles in here. Not sparkles, but like little different color of kind of like beads. When you put it on, it feels so hydrating. This mask, when you put it on, it literally feels like it's sucking all of the moisture out of the air and putting it into your skin. You know, like when you get real sweaty and your skin starts to feel like it's like dripping with sweat? My skin literally felt like it was just absorbing the wetness from the air. It was so nice. I really enjoyed this mask. If you're looking for something hydrating, this is really, really good. And I know this brand is sold at Ulta, so if you have like an Ulta coupon or something, I know they recently sent out a 20% off one. If you have that, that would be the time to pick up a mask like this because I think it's really good. I personally, I'm not going to get it because I'm on a low buy, but it's one that I would love to purchase because I think it's really good. The next thing is from Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. I can't really smell any of the scents that it says in here. It just smells like a very fresh refresher type of thing for your skin. I don't really use these as makeup setting sprays. I use them more as like a refresher, like at nighttime after I put my skincare on. I spritz a little bit of this on my skin and I feel like it really helps to kind of absorb everything into my skin and it just feels good. So even throughout the day, like if I'm like not wearing any makeup, I'll spritz a little bit on. You can put it over top of makeup and don't expect for it to like help with longevity to your makeup or anything like that. It's just more or less like a facial spray to help to kind of like pep you up. So it's like that water, that Evian water. Is it Evian? I don't know. But anyway, they have that water that you can put on your face. I think that's basically what this is. It's just something to like put on your skin to give yourself a nice refresher. So like after the gym, this would be really nice as well. The next one is from Ahaha. This is the Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. This has got like tiny sand pieces in it. It feels like, I mean, I know it's not sand, but it feels like sand. When you put it on, my skin is having a horrible time right now. I'm having a lot of breakouts, so this was really nice to help to kind of get all that skin off that was just not doing good. So I really enjoyed this. The one I tried the last time I didn't really like. I can't remember which one it was, but I didn't really like the Ahaha thing I tried last time. But this is really nice. I did enjoy this very much so. It didn't leave my skin feeling very dry either. So sometimes when you exfoliate your skin can afterwards feel very dry and like you like or like SpongeBob when he went outside of the water, so when he was with Sandy. So either way, I think this is a really good one because it's not super drying. I love the way it exfoliated my skin, so this was something I personally would purchase as well. The next thing is from Biolage. Now this is really nice. This is the all-in-one coconut infusion multi-benefit spray. I, first of all, love the smell of it. It smells like summertime. So if you're like somebody who you love the summertime scents, you're going to love this because it has a nice coconut smell. The other thing about this is I felt like it made my hair nice and hydrated because it's more like a cream than it is like a serum. So you put it into your hair after you washed it and it just feels really good. It helps to kind of detangle your hair. I really like the way it smells. My hair dried nice and straight. So my hair typically has a little bit of wave to it, but this helped to make my hair dry nice and straight and sleek looking almost. So I really enjoyed this. This is something I personally would purchase as well. There were lots of good things this week. The next thing is from Shisedo. This is the Shisedo Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. So I had tried one the week before, and it was like the one that made me look like Beetlejuice. This one did not make me look like Beetlejuice, thank goodness. It wasn't drying. It wasn't very hydrating though either. I would say it's like mediocre, like, not mediocre. I would say it's like more, I don't know, I would say it's better for like normal skin, or like probably not oily, because it's still not dry enough, I would think, for oily skin, but it's not hydrating enough for dry skin. So I think it's maybe more meant for like normal skin. You put it on, it kind of looks like skin, but at the same time it did settle into some of my fine lines. So I did notice a lot of settling, like here and across my forehead. So I did have some settling. So for me, I personally wouldn't purchase it, because I don't like when my makeup settles into those spots, because it really makes me look like what is those things, those mannequins, like the one from Jeff Dunham. It makes me feel like I'm like one of Jeff Dunham's mannequins, and I'm like, or what is that called? It's not a mannequin, puppet. So either way, it's just something I personally wouldn't purchase for my skin type, but if you have maybe more normal skin type, it might be better. The next thing is this right here. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I really love the way this smells. It's got a nice fresh scent to it. It smells a little bit like watermelon. I wouldn't say it's like a true watermelon, but when you put it onto your skin, it leaves your skin kind of tacky feeling. Leave it on overnight, but I did notice when I woke up the next morning, it looked kind of like my skin was peeling in certain areas. It wasn't peeling, it was just the mask, or the mask that I put on. It kind of flakes up a little bit, so I don't know if I like that aspect to it, because it looked like I had like crusties all over my face. But other than that, it was pretty hydrating. It wasn't to a point where I felt like it was like a cream hydration. It's more like one that's going to hold everything under. So like you put it on over top of all your other skincare, and it feels like it kind of holds everything in. But again, it did kind of flake up on me, like around the edges and stuff. So I didn't like that aspect, especially because when I got in my hair, it looked like I had dry dead skin in my hair. I was like, ooh, that looks gross. So either way, I don't think I would purchase it, but it was nice to try out. The next thing is two perfumes. So we have the Commodity Bergamont. I don't know that I love the smell of this. The smell of it is a little strong in my opinion. I have had a pretty rough week. So I had a migraine. I had some anxiety issues. We've had some issues going on with the family thing. So this perfume for me was just too strong for this week, because for me, I couldn't handle it. It was just too strong and too intense. So for me, I would not purchase this. If you like a more strong, more powerful scent, I would say you might enjoy this, but for me, it's not my cup of tea. The next one is this one right here. This is the Bottega Veneta by, I think that's just it. This smells really nice. It's got more of a floral like scent to it, but yet it's not too floral and it's not too sweet. It's just a very clean floral type of scent. So I really did enjoy this one. So this is one I probably would purchase, but I'm not going to, because you guys know I'm on a low buy. But either way, it was a really good one. So now we're going to go ahead and pull some new samples. We're going to start with skincare. So I'm going to pull 3 out of the skincare basket. The first one here is, let's see, what can we get? Let's get a good one here. Oh, we have the Badescu. This is the Herbal Hydrating Serum. Ooh, that looks pretty interesting. I love the color to it. You guys know I love anything that's like that bluish teal. The next one is, ooh, what is this? We have the Sephora Instant Moisturizer. So I know a lot of people have said the Sephora brand is pretty good. I've tried some things that are good and some things that are terrible. So we'll have to see if this is any good or not. The next thing is, oh, we have 2. Oh, gonna have to do 2 of them here. Let me put this over here. So we've got the Ren Flash Rinse 1-minute facial. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And then we have the GlamGlow Supermud clearing treatment. I think that was like meant to be. It's like, what is it, Kismet? Because I have these acne issues going on right now. This will be perfect for my skin. So I'm excited actually to try those. The next thing is our makeup. So I'm going to pull 2 out of the makeup basket. The first one is, ooh, what do we have here? This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer and Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I've tried this before, so I'm going to throw that in y'all's basket. It was okay for me. It's too matte for my skin. So my skin, of course, especially now that we're getting into the colder months, is not going to work. So I'm going to end up looking like flaky. The next one is, ooh, what do we have here? We have the Dior Lipglow. This is a backstage car not a car. We don't get a backstage car. That'd be pretty cool. Backstage Color Reviver. Ooh, look at that. That's like, oh my goodness. That's a pretty fancy like sample here. Look at you, Dior. Well, I mean, it's Dior, so what did we expect? The next one is, we have the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. I haven't tried this in a long time, so I think I want to give it a shot again to see if it's any good. I know like some of my mascaras, like the Benefit Roller Lash, which is the one that I'm wearing today, is one that I used to hate. I was like, I hate this mascara. I don't like the wand, blah, blah, blah. Now I love it. So I'm going to give this one a try again. So sometimes something you might not like from the past, you try it again, especially if you get a sample of it, you might enjoy it. So I'm going to try that. Then we have Hair and Body. So we're going to pull 2 out of here. Ooh, the first one is from Living Proof. Hey, I've got my shampoo and conditioner for the week. This will be plenty. This is the Color Care Conditioner too. So that's awesome. And it's sulfate free. So I'm going to try these out this week. Hopefully it doesn't smell like pepper. Some other products smell like pepper and some don't. So, well, hopefully that one does not smell like pepper. The next thing is, ooh, what the heck is this? Looks like an air horn. What is that? This is the Root Pump Plus. This is the Plus. This is the humidity resistant, which we don't have no humidity around here now. So, humidity resistant volumizing spray mousse. Ooh. I'm not a huge mousse fan, but we'll try it out because mousse typically makes my hair look like real stiff. I look like something about Mary. Like my hair's like sticking up right here. So we'll try it. The next one is the My Philosophy Grateful Perfume. So I love Philosophy. I think their perfumes are really nice because they're super light scented. So I know I have not tried Grateful, so I'm excited to see how that one smells. The next one is, ooh, what is this? This is the Sugar Rush Sugar Spritz Body Spray. I don't think I've ever even heard of that brand. Have you guys ever heard of that brand? Where would you be able to purchase that? It sounds like amazing. It sounds like cotton candy. Let's see if it smells like cotton candy. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I could like literally lick this. It smells like a cotton candy or like ice cream or something. Just something really delicious and yummy. So I'm super excited about all my samples. So I'm going to set that over here. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pull. I was like, what are we doing? I'm like losing my marbles here. We're going to go ahead and pull the winner for this goodie bag right here. So the goodie bag was the banana bag. So let me pull up my video. I'm not ready. I was watching a video on murder mystery stuff. So you guys know I love that kind of stuff. Or maybe you don't know. I love like murder mystery stuff. So I was watching that. So I didn't have my phone ready. So let's pull up our comments here. All right, I've got the comments pulled up and we're gonna scroll through them and pick ourselves a winner here. Oh, my, what the heck did I just do? Oh my God, my phone is like, nope, not today. Okay, try this again. All right, and the winner is April Harris. She says, drinking my coffee and watching hashtag Sample Sunday. Have a blessed week. Thank you, April. So April Harris, you are the winner for this goodie bag. All you have to do is look in the description box, find my email address, and send me your mailing address. So, and I'll mail this out to you. So this is your goodie bag, April Harris. All right, so now we're moving on to the new samples. The goodie bag I'm going to use is this one right here. Look how pretty this is, guys. I know it's not very fallish, but like it's pretty. So it's a nice pink bag. It was one I think I got from Ulta, like with a bunch of freebies in it. So we're going to put some freebies in it for you. So let's pull our 10 samples. The first one is Exuviance Triple Microdermabrasion Face Polish. So here's a face polish to use. The next one is, ooh, something big, guys. Ooh, look at this. This is a really nice one. This is the Too Faced Major Must-Haves Makeup Set. So you get the Better Than Sex Waterproof Liquid Liner, the Better Than Sex Mascara, the Too Faced Hangover RX Face Replenishing Primer, and the Apricot in the Act Little Blush Duo. So there is your little sample here. That's a really nice one to stick in here. The next one is, we have the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion for PM. So the next one is, ooh, what's this? We have the, oh, this one's so cute. It's like kind of like difficult to use, I will tell you, but it's such a cute little sample. So it's a little beauty blender with some water, which I mean, like, I'm not sure why they give you water, but they do. The next one is, let's see, what can we get? What can we get? Ooh, let's dig, let's dig. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, you get to try the Mario Badescu as well. So this is the Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. So this one smells like roses. I love rose scented anything. The next thing is, oh, sorry about that, guys. My phone's going crazy. We have the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. So here you get 4 little lip glosses in here to try out. That's 5 so far. We got 5 more to go. The next one is, ooh, we have the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So you get to try out the MAC Fix Plus. That's 6. The next one is, we have the NARS Climax Mascara. This one is actually pretty good. So I don't know that I love the wand to it, but the wand is usable for sure. So the next one is, ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Let's dig. Ooh, something big. We have nope, it's one. I thought it was a bunch. We have the Lancome Boost Your Lashes Mascara Primer. So here's a little mascara primer in here from Lancome. So that's 7. 3 more to go, guys. The next one is, we have the Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume. So there's a little perfume. 2 more. The next one is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. So here's a frothy face wash to use. And then the last one is, let's see, let's make sure we get a good one here. Let's get a good one. Oh, what is this? Oh, the Shisedo, the foundation I just tried. So you can try out the Shisedo foundation as well. So that is everything in the goodie bag. This is a really good one, I have to admit. So if you're interested in winning this goodie bag, all you have to do is leave me a comment, any comment. It doesn't really matter what it says. Just make sure you leave hashtag Sample Sunday in the comment. So this is the goodie bag for this week. I'm super excited to see who wins that one because I think you're going to love all the goodies in there. Also, I would love to know, let me know what samples you've been using. Did you find some good ones? Let us know. And also, of course, don't forget, you got to let us know the bad ones too, because we have to keep each other updated on the things that are just mediocre at best. And of course, the things that are like really good, like funfetti type of mask. I wish it smelled like funfetti. I keep wishing for that. I wonder if I contact them and say, hey, make your mask smell like funfetti cake, and then like everybody's gonna love it for sure. I mean, you're gonna love it anyway because it's nice and hydrating, but oh my gosh, that would be amazing. So anyway, let us know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.